Honey, what are you doing?
Oh, why didn't we have a car in the garage? Oh, crap.
That's a lot of hail.
I know what we might be doing.
What?
Taking $500 of our deductible to get a car repaired.
That's a lot of hail. I've never seen a hail like this. Have you?
No.
Watch out. Watch out. Pull that.
She moved her car to get his in.
I've never seen this kind of hail before, Heather. Have you?
No.
Look at all the water. Look at how much water's coming down. Look at that, right there. The driveway is covered. I've never seen anything like this.
Get in there, Roger.
Is that his four-wheeler thing?
Yeah,
Look at the driveway. Look out here. Look at this sidewalk.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is a tragedy. This is a tragedy. These trees are gonna be dead.
Oh my god.
Our maples, honey.
This is gonna ruin the car.
You'd be surprised that car
They're
can handle
actually
it.
outside moving the car over there.
Yeah.
I saw the light. Oh my gosh. Why is more planted like this? Lord, with me today.
Show it to him, Sarah. Show it to me. Okay.